You're watching iLovei. My name's Trinell.
I'm Tim.
And today we're at Rosie's. And what are we going to do today, Tim?
We're going to show you guys some smoked meats.
Smoked meats. We're talking brisket, spare ribs.
Pork belly burnt ends.
And some pork butt, you know, a little pork butt
So
for you.
we were here before, but this is Trinell's first time. So.
Yeah. And I think there's some butter-infused chicken I hear.
There you go. Right. Can't wait for you to try
So the chicken connoisseur is coming back, you know what I'm saying? All right. So yeah, come join us as we go in the kitchen and have Dimitri show us around.
I'm back.
Yeah, it's good to have you on camera since you're never on this side of it, you know what I mean?
We're here at Rosie's, so...
Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. So, we were here last night, actually yesterday, from 5 until about 11.
No, I left at 10.
Oh, you left at 10. But everyone, me and Sonny tried to stay here till 11. Dimitri is a boss, I just have to say that. He is up still from last night.
Serving people right now.
Serving people, just to make sure that they can have this lovely, smoked, good-looking barbecue right here. So we're gonna give you guys a quick rundown of pretty much everything that's on the plate. So we'll start off with...
Serves this every Saturday from 11 to 4.
Or until sold out.
So sold out,
So you better come at 11.
It's pretty early. There's like dudes tailgating right before.
Yeah,
right before it opens.
Yeah, he had a chair in the bed of his truck, chilling until the doors open.
Yeah,
so make sure you guys get here. What do you want to start with, Tim? I'll let you guide us through this.
Kind of like work our way around. This
right.
be like last.
You want this to be last?
Yeah.
The rib?
Yeah.
So you want to start with the sausage?
Start with the sausage. So is this jalapeno cheddar sausage? Cheddar's amazing.
Yeah.
Cheddar's amazing.
I love it. And because he smoked it, it has a smoky flavor to it, which is good. And like Nate said, it only has to be in there for about 30 minutes. It's the last thing to go in. Brisket.
You're still on the sausage.
I'm eating. Then we're gonna work our way over to the pulled pork, or are you gonna go there?
Pork belly burnt ends.
This is great. Now I want to compare it because if you're watching this video, we went to A's Barbecue and we got to try what is it? Pork belly al pastor burnt ends.
This is just.
And Sonny said this is kind of like adobo. So
yeah, it's like adobo. Like, shout out to my Filipinos, you know what this is like.
Shout out to my Filipinos. Yeah, shout out to my Filipinos.
So good. So good.
My favorite. Right there. And we almost didn't know if we were gonna get any, to be honest with you. But now that I woke up this morning and I came here, I'm happy I did, because this is... And Sonny, you're right. If we got a little bit of rice with this, again, shout out to my Filipinos.
Damn. Well, pulled pork.
All right.
So here's pulled pork. The way he pulls it.
But it's a but. It comes in a package and it looks like a butt. Not even gonna lie.
It jiggles like a butt.
You gotta smack it a couple times before you season it and then put it in there, you know?
Use your hands, dude. Don't need toppings.
So that pork belly is really soft and tender. And if you guys are like trying to smoke food yourself or smoke barbecue, the meat you recommended, this is the first thing you start with because you can't f up. So it seems like an occurrence now, you know. This other video we went to, what is it?
Rosies?
No, the other one, oh, we were at Lucky Bird and we had someone walk up to us as a fan, which is pretty dope. And then today we're here at Rosie's. And
saw our video.
someone came here because they saw our video. So we happen to be here at the same time and we're filming right now, which is pretty dope. So I think it's a good feeling.
Yeah.
And we're getting some barbecue, so you really can't go wrong with that shit.
All right. Turkey breast.
Turkey breast? It is November, right?
It is November.
So again, the great part about all of the smoking is that you get that crust right on the outside of everything that you put in there. So it's my favorite. If you want to get turkey for Thanksgiving,
From the Rosies. So pork spare ribs right here.
yep. And again, we're gonna show you, just look at that outline right here. If your barbecue don't look like this, it ain't barbecue. Short ribs are good. But if you look at this, just look how this comes off.
So good.
And you can taste the smoke. It's bomb.
So good.
I'm gonna save some for somebody else.
Yep.
See, Tim knows how hard it is now to save that food.
Now, the main stars of the show, this two.
So when they say it falls off the bone, this is literally what they mean.
It fell off the bone.
Bam. All right.
Where do you want to start? I want the fatty one.
That was all balak.
It's all fat.
So last night we had a rib like this that was not smoked, and let me tell you, you can taste the difference for sure.
That bark on there, though.
Right? The bark is, I'm telling you, it's the best part. That's why the burnt ends are so damn good. It just all, you know, got love up in there. So these do go the fastest because they are very limited. So
Get here early.
you want to make sure you get here early to get one of these bad boys. And it is definitely worth it. So again, wake up early. Even if you went out last night, had a couple Jameson shots, make sure you come early. He wanted to lick the bone. He's over here. Damn, that was good, bro.
Butter infused chicken. Look, still dripping. I'll let you do the honors, bro.
I wonder why.
I had this before, so.
All right. God damn. Okay. Right.
What do you think? What do you think? It's not balut.
It is ridiculously juicy. And that skin on the outside with all that seasoning. Can't go wrong with the chicken, man. Gotta go back in. I gotta try it again.
So good, man.
So just so you guys know, don't get confused. That Rosie's on Topanga is not this Rosie. This Rosie's is on Corbin. Right across from the Del Taco, from the big ass Target. So after you do your grocery shopping, whatever, just come here. But it's great.
And
It's the one and only.
Gets his meat at Harris Ranch, so you know it's good.
Yeah, if you guys like In-N-Out, same meat, right? So I'm loving it. I think you guys should definitely stop by, come on a Saturday so you guys can see what it's like to really have some barbecue in the valley. I mean, where else can you get some barbecue like this in the valley?
It's the best in the valley, guys.
So stop by. Thank you guys for being with us today.
So thank you for watching us.
Hit that subscribe button down below.
Make sure you follow us on all of our social media links right here.
Are they right there?
You see it right here? Yeah, they're right there. Make sure you
Yeah,
follow
hit that
us
bell notification so you get notified when we put out videos just like this. And
Share-
you gonna do it?
Make sure you share this with your family and friends.
Because they're gonna love it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.